Hello everyone, I am Ankit. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to display list in HTML. So when we talk about list, there are two types, unordered and ordered. Unordered list does not have any specific ordering. So list items are shown as bullets. On the other hand, in ordered list items are shown in specific ordering. Ordering may be numeric, alphabetic or Roman digits. Let's now see how to display unordered list in HTML. So to display unordered list, two tags are used, UL and li. List items are placed between li tag, which is enclosed by UL tag, as you can see in the bottom rectangle. Similarly, ordered list is shown by replacing UL tag by OL tag. So as you can see, I have replaced UL tag by OL tag. List items are placed in the li tag for displaying ordered list too. Let's now see how we can create HTML list by example. First of all, I'll create an unordered list. So let's start with HTML document structure, and I set the page title as HTML list. So to create unordered list, we have to write UL tag. UL tag stands for unordered list. In between UL tag, the list items must be written inside li tag. So here is my li tag, and in between li tag I have to write my list item. So this is list item 1. Let's copy paste this thing. I am creating 3 list items for the demonstration. So as you can see, these 2 tags are sufficient to create an unordered list. Let's check the output. So here is my unordered list showing in web browser. Let's now change the bullets. By default, you can see that round bullets are being shown in the list. Suppose I want to display square bullets instead of round bullets. So I can use type property like this, and inside type property I have to write square. So I'll set type property as square, and then you can see your bullets have been changed to square bullets. So this is how you can display unordered list in HTML. Another type is ordered list. Let me write over here unordered list. Okay, so here is my unordered list, and let's now create ordered list. So to create an ordered list, just you have to replace this UL tag by OL tag. OL stands for ordered list. So let's write OL tag, and in between OL tag we are going to show same list items. So I am copying the previous list items and pasting them inside OL tag, and let's now check the output. So you can see that our list items are shown as ordered list. Ordered list means there is some ordering, like 1 2 3, like that. By default 1 2 3 is being shown as ordered list. Suppose you want to change it to some another listing type. Let's say I want to show a list having ABC. So I'll use the same type property which I had used in UL tag, but inside type property I'll write capital A. So by writing this, our list will be changed to ABC type of list. Similarly, you can set small a and I, Roman digits. So this is how you can display unordered list and ordered list. Let's now see how we can display nested list. Nested list. So nested list is something where a list is being shown inside another list. Let's see a demonstration where countries are being shown in the continents where they are. So first of all, I'll show a unordered list displaying continent names. So here is my UL tag. In between UL tag I'll write li tag. First we write the continent name Asia, and after that I am using OL tag to display the country names which are there in Asia. So here is country India, another country is China, and one more Japan. So what I did is, first of all I took unordered list and I showed continent names as unordered list, and inside that I have taken another list which is ordered list, and I have shown country names as ordered list. Let's check the output. So here you can see that continent name is being displayed as unordered list and country names are being displayed as ordered list. Let's take another continent so that the concept of nested list is clear. We take the continent name Europe, and inside that I am again writing list of countries ordered. So I am writing first country UK, which is in Europe, another country Germany, and one more Italy. So let's check the output again. So here you can see that continent names are there as unordered list and country names are there as ordered list. So this is how you can display nested list in HTML. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Keep learning, keep growing, stay happy. Goodbye. These are some important questions from this video. They will be helpful to you either you are taking examination as a student or appearing in an interview. So go through them and try to find the answers by yourself. All the best.